The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we're going to open a file for writing, get some user input, and then write what they gave us to a file. Before we do that, remember you can download this source code from the link provided below in the description. Then you can pause this video to try it on your own and check out your answer. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open a file for writing. So I'm going to have out file. That's just going to be the variable name I'm going to use to control my file. And I'm going to specify open, just like I did before. Now with this open command, remember it takes two different arguments, the first of which is the file name. And I'm going to have names.txt, comma, and in this case, we're going to use a W. The W is for write. Now you might notice we're not using the with keyword. We could have done it that way. It's just not necessary. So I want to show you that it works equally in both manners. The next thing we need to do is create name. This is going to be a variable that's going to store the name that we get from the user of the attendees that we're collecting. We're going to just assign it a default value. And since this is going to occur multiple times, we're going to put this in a while loop. So we're going to say while name not equal to exit. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get the user input. So we're going to say name equals input. Please enter your name. We want to make sure that we don't write exit to our file just in case. So we're going to put a special little test in here. If name is not equal to exit. We don't have to put exit up on our input because this would be like a little internal thing that we're using. And the person who's working a booth at this trade show, they would know what to do and how to get out of it. So if name is not equal to exit, we're going to say outFile.write, and we're going to write our name. Now, if we write our name, it writes that exactly as it is. What it doesn't do is put a new line character. So we're going to say outFile.write, and then we're going to add the new line character for us. As you can see, we did this to do get user input, and we wrote that input to the file, and that was pretty easy to do. So all we have left to do is to close our out file. So I'll say outFile.close. If I run this, please enter your name, Bob Smith. Please enter your name, Jane Hathaway. Please enter your name, we can go on and on and on. When we type in exit, we exit out. Over on the left-hand side, we have a names.txt which has been created, and you can see it here. Now, what's interesting is if I come back and I run this again, and I'm just going to put in a new person, Fred Smith, and exit, and look at names, you'll notice that all you see is Fred Smith. So what that means is every time that we open up a file, because when we open it, we specify the W for write, it overwrites our file. So one of the questions that we ask in going further is, how can we modify this program to run over multiple days? Well, that's pretty easy. All we have to do is change that W to an A. And that stands for append, which means it's going to add data to the end of my file. So that way, if I close my application down at the end of the day, and it's a multi-day conference, I'm going to get all those names and not wipe out the ones for my first, second, and third days. Additionally, if I want to capture additional information like their title, I could ask for their title and then maybe write like a comma or a tab or something like that to separate out their name from their title. Then I can bring that information into an application like Excel, or maybe write a different application in Python in order to read that information, split it up, and then work with that data. So going further and using this to get more and more valuable information is actually quite easy. If you want more examples of how you can program with Python and get better at it, look to our channel and look at the videos on practicing with Python.